guys, this is my first video. I'm Kinjal and I'm a digital marketer for like 5 years. And today I'm gonna tell about if you're starting a digital marketing career, what are the skills that are required, what work is actually done, and how to make strategy and all those stuff. This video, I am planning to make in a way that you feel like that you are actually working in a job environment, and these are the tasks that you will be given, and this is the way you have to do the task. So that is I'll not do all this bookish knowledge. I'll provide you practical tips, and I have not used a fancy camera right now, and I have not used a mic. I can buy those. I have been working for like 5 years, but I need a motivation so that if this video goes a bit viral or get at least 1,000 views, so this will be my motivation to buy all those things and do the second video, because consistency is very important, and for consistency I need motivation. So yeah, this is the way I'm getting motivated. Anyways, so I'll be starting more videos on all the practical steps, but I will tell you three things that are absolutely non-negotiable if you are starting a digital marketing career. And okay, I will not stretch this a lot. I know we get boring, and if anyone is there like me who is having an ADHD type of syndrome, that you get distracted and gets boring of the topic is too many things together. So yeah, this is the perfect. Okay, so first thing is you have to be very AI fluent. You have to know different tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity. I will teach you how to use all those, but yeah, you have to be very AI fluent, and you have to use AI to make outcome that does not look like AI. Yeah, that is the scam. We are in a scam, but we have to be sometimes scammers. Well, anyways, so you have to use AI in a way it generates output that does not look AI. This is a fucking skill. Okay, second, data driven storytelling. Right now storytelling sells. Storytelling is everything. If you are someone who is interested in stories, who is interested in knowing the backstory of how this brand has emerged, and what is the philosophy, what is the vision, and why audience should connect with it, then this skill is very important. And for this you need to have a keen eye observation, listening, all these skills. So this will help you in the creative process. How this will help you, this I will teach you in further videos. Genuinely, data driven storytelling, AI fluency. And third is adaptability. Every other day Google is going to come, knock your door and tell, oh, I have changed the algorithm, oh, now I don't like the strategy you are using, oh, everything has changed, the thing you are doing 10 years ago, no, I'll not allow this. This is the new thing I want. Google is rude, and Google is Gemini of the tech world. It keeps on changing their mood, and we have to act like according to them. So we have to be very adaptable, very on spot with what are the trends Google has posted, and how do we tweak our strategy. So yes, adaptable, data driven storytelling, and AI fluency. These three things you have to tell in your interview also. Alright, this is it. I'm Kinjal, and I'll be coming up with more videos. This was my first video, very raw. I have no script, but yeah, this is my observation, and I'm really doing well in my job. So yeah, I can say that. Bye.